I'm going to try the 24 karat sheet mask from Miss Spa. So let's get started. Before you do any of these sheet masks, you want to first cleanse your face. I just used the Kiehl's Cucumber Herbal Conditioning Cleanser. I got it as a free sample at the Kiehl's store. So let's get started with the Miss Spa 24 karat facial sheet mask. I don't expect it to be glittery gold. I don't expect it at all to be like that, so it'll be kind of interesting what this looks like once I open it. It is showing a little bit of glittery gold kind of look, so you did something. Oh wow. Oh wow. Ooh, shoot. It's like a glitter. I didn't expect this. I guess it is kind of molten gold-like. I'm actually gonna make sure I put this over tile because I don't want to stain my bath rug. Kind of shocked. So far the presentation looks good. It looks like gold, as they promised. Okay. All right. Let's see what happens. They definitely give you a generous size sheet, so this will fit. It has to fit everyone's face. Okay. This is nice. It's comfortable. I don't feel any kind of irritation. I have slightly sensitive skin. I'm not overly sensitive, but I do feel it if something is harsh, and I don't feel it here. So that's a good first sign. Okay. Now I look like a gold monster. I'm gonna set the timer. This is a 20-minute mask. I do want to show everybody it does get really messy. There's all sorts of gold glitter. So keep that in mind and keep your area clean when you do this mask if you decide to buy it. Okay, 20 minutes is up. Let's take a look. I look glowing. Now you're supposed to pat the remaining product in. I actually regularly use Miss Spa sheet masks, so I am very familiar with them. I just never have used the 24 karat gold mask, so it was a completely different experience using this one. I would recommend that for your everyday mask needs, not to use this one because it tends to be messy. It can get all over your things. And if you're going to do this, you should do a little preparation. I definitely like it because it's giving me this interesting glow. I have to kind of work with it because I don't want too much glow. It's going to look really odd. If you were to buy this mask, I'd recommend it as a special occasion mask. Maybe if you're not planning to wear a lot of any foundation and you just want a simple kind of glitter and you want a simple if you want some simple glittery glow, then I would try this mask. If you don't like the messiness of this product, Miss Spa has many other sheet masks that you can choose from, whether you're looking for a moisturizing sheet mask or a clarifying sheet mask. All of these masks I've had great results with. They are very highly moisturizing without glitters. You might want to consider these. I've left some links in the description below this video if you want to learn more about Miss Spa and the different sheet masks that are available. I have taken some photographs of the different ones I've used in the past. I do like this sheen. I know I have to fix it, so I'm going to go back and work with the product a little bit more and see if I can reduce the glitter. Okay, I removed more of the product so it has more of a light golden tone, and I think it's enough to be able to go out in public now. Oh, and I left a little on my lip to give kind of a golden glow. I do tend to have a reddish, ruddy complexion, so it's not irritation that you're seeing. It tends to be for the most part, my skin tone. Sometimes the product can make it a little bit stronger. That's why I tend to wear foundation to kind of even out this redness. So thank you for watching this video today. If you found this informative and you want to see more reviews like this, please hit the subscribe button and please like it.